Hi, this is GBPUSD 4-hour. I have drawn this trend line connecting this low to this low, and I have drawn another trend line here. This is a sharp move up. So if the price breaks the trend line and give any retracement, the retracement could be a double top or a slightly higher high. I will still look for a sell, especially when it breaks this trend line. I'll be looking for a sell setup. So it's quite simple what I'm looking for. In any case, if market opens with a gap here, opens here, that means it's breaking this low. If it breaks this low when the market opens with a gap, I will still look for a retracement and for a sell setup. So we'll wait and see how price unfolds in the coming week. This is Euro USD 4-hour. This pair has given a very sharp move up. So I'm expecting it to break the trend line, and I'm looking for a sell setup. I do have some levels above, but we'll see how price unfolds when the market opens next week. This is what I'm looking for a break of the trend line and a retracement. The retracement can be in the form of double top or slightly higher high and then break the trend line. In any case, when the market opens, it can still go move up and then create this. So I'll wait and see how it unfolds. So break, a retracement, and then I'll look to sell. This is USDCHF, you see. So this week, as you can see, price broke the trend line. Let me just remove this. I'll show how it worked. This was the trend line, and then you have a sharp move up. So draw another connecting this to this. So this was the trend line. Then early this week that just completed, you can see it broke the trend line, and then can you see this low? See how it broke this low and then gave a nice retracement, which was a lower high. But of course this was election week, won't be trading this. So this is how I'm looking for euro for the coming week. Break the trend line and then pull back. If it breaks the low, that would be nice. Let me see what's. So this is the low. This is the current low for euro. But I won't wait for this because there might be another low created here while price action is unfolding. So we'll see how it unfolds in any case. So going back to USDCHF. Now let me remove all these things. So this is the move for this week that just completed. So this was a sharp move, very sharp move. So I'll wait for it to break the trend line. And then for a pullback, this pullback can form a double bottom or higher low, or even slightly lower than this, and then move up. So I'll wait and see how price unfolds, because it's quite simple what I'm looking for, and that's it for this particular pair. This is UCAD 4 hour. As you can see how price, this is the trend line that I've drawn, and there's a sharp move here as well. This is a very sharp move. So I'll wait for price action to break, and then any retracement. This is very sharp. So if it breaks, if it breaks this high, also look nice. And then a pullback. So this pullback, like I mentioned for USDCHF, it can form a double bottom, or it can form a higher low, or even this part can just a slightly lower low. So in any case, I'll wait and see how the price is forming. If there is a buy setup forming with a nice market structure break, then I'll look to buy this at whichever area, either here or here or even here. It's quite close to this one, so it could be the case that it might, because sometimes they all don't move in the same manner. USD, USD, UCAD, they don't move in the same manner. Maybe this might be on a hold in consolidation, and then suddenly it might just drop to take some stops and then change direction. So we'll wait and see how price unfolds next week. This is Euro GBP. As you can see, this just broken this trend line and then gave a nice retracement. So this is the support at the moment. I mean, this is the low, this is higher low. So this is the high, is given a higher high. So now price has bounced off from this support. So we'll see whether it could form any price action here, any retracement towards this level, a slightly higher low, or double bottom or triple bottom. Then look for a price setup to buy, because at the moment it looks like it's created a higher lows and higher highs, and this is now has halted, the price has halted here. So we'll see how price unfolds in the coming week. This is Aussie. Aussie gave a nice movement up as well. So any break of this trend line. If it breaks, this is the low now. If it breaks this low, that'll be good. And then any pullback, I'll look to sell. So this is the same thing as euro and cable. Any break of the trend line, I'm looking to sell at the retracement. Either it creates a double top, lower high, or slightly taking off this high, higher high, and then reject and drop. So wait and see how it unfolds. This is Kiwi. It's the same scenario. It's a very sharp move. This part here, very sharp. So if it breaks, and then a retracement in the form of double top or lower high or slightly higher high rejection, then it's looking for a sell setup. So that's it. That's all for now.